Analyzing thermal data. Marking extraction route, narrow tunnels. Position dollies, avoid vibration. Plan approved, prepare for slow extraction. The control jet is doing its job. Look at those fangs gleam. The amber eye is coming through. Almost finished with this side. 48 years hidden. Volcanic dark structural integrity. All right, final light securing click. Electrical verified check. Initiating power test. Starting 3 low lights on. Pressing pulsing. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, we did it! Victory!
Old to gold world, where legends are reborn. Assessment complete. Obsidian Panther Night Stalker, ready for rescue. Thermal scan confirms the bat colony is safe and dormant within the exhaust system. Zero disruption is mandatory during extraction. Analyzing thermal data. Marking extraction route, narrow tunnels. Position dollies, avoid vibration.
Plan approved. Prepare for slow extraction.
Negative clearance confirmed. Initiating precise steering. Grinding contact. Minimal disturbance. Thermal scan confirms zero activity.
All right, position the rig. Confirmed. Backing up. Primary cable to the fang structure. Secured. Padding in place. Systems check complete. Pressure. Verification complete. Thank you, officers. Proceed.
Distance decreasing, 50 kilometers, 30 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Entrance gates visible ahead. Transport journey nearly complete. Initiating flatbed depressurization. Ramps are down, tires are rolling. Easy now. Chains and anchors released. Vehicle.
Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
Initiating standard flush. Pressure stabilizing at 2500 psi. Verified. Proceeding with the gentle sweep. The controlled jet is doing its job. Look at those fangs gleam. The amber eye is coming through. Almost finished with this side.
Open it slowly, easy now. Spray inside, just a little. Got the first one, be careful. Watch the claws, it's waking up. Secure the latch.
Main drain valve pressure stable. Sediment separation initiated. Thermal monitoring shows all habitats undisturbed. Protocol confirmed. Completion successful.
Phase 1 complete. The Obsidian Panther Night Stalker is fully documented. Every component, 48 years old, now cataloged and secured in the Gold Restoration Garage.
From destruction to transformation, old to gold world. Subscribe now.
Welcome to Gold Restoration. Subscribe for more, tell me your favorite car in the comments, and don't forget to like.
48 years has hidden. Volcanic darkness preserved. Structural integrity 90%. Igniting first pass. Structural integrity confirmed. Final reinforcement complete.
The block is secure. Look at that preservation. Yeah. Unbelievable clarity, minimal deposits, the measurement dead on to 76 spec.
Edwards. All right, 1976 shaft, installing on precision stands. Let's check the thickness. Remarkable preservation. Honing required?
Setting the crank, that's perfect. Time to torque it down. Verified, smooth as silk. Pistons next, sliding into number 1, 9 to go. Precision check, perfect to spec. Carbon removed, seat geometry, original 76. Verification complete, ready for assembly.
The cylinder head gasket is positioned with precision. Now for the final cylinder head alignment. Torque specification applied to the first bolt.
Transmission secured. Now, let's install the drive shaft and prepare the fluid connection.
Mounted, check, verified. Torque to spec, done. Lines connected, check, verified. System pressurized, no leaks.
Radiator mounted, torque check complete.
Water pump in, seated, fastened, all hoses connected.
Pressure good, circulation verified, system ready.
Front suspension frame rails positioned. Control arm bushings installed. Torque wrench engaged. Clicking specification sequence completed.
Engine bay secured, hoses routed. Battery and radiator check.
Front is tight.
Front doors tight, rear doors secure.
Engine bay verified, front door secure, suspension aligned, drivetrain connected, final drive verified. Interior complete, ready for startup.
The Midnight Obsidian Shimmer is taking shape.
The precision reading confirms the depth.
Perfect, ready for application.
Door frames sealed. Windows covered. Engine bay protected. Environment stable. Booth is ready. The custom stencil is ready.
Perfect alignment.
First stroke down, let's bring this Jaguar to life.
Depth and texture defined.
Exquisite detail complete.
All right, front headlights secured and clicked. Electrical verified, check. Initiating power test. Stunner, interior glow looks good. Brake lights, on. Turn signals, pulsing. Excellent, perfect texture, incredible gloss. Jaguar mural, flawless. Lighting systems engaged. Electrical check complete. Ready for the world.
Battery verified. Fuel pump ready. Pressure check. Ignition active. Spark wires good. Choke set. Ready.
Temperature rising smoothly, oil pressure good, water pump and alternator working perfectly, engine warm, all systems nominal, ready for testing.
One, go! Yeah! We did it! Victory!
After 9 months, it's done. Total transformation.
Absolute perfection. A true mechanical masterpiece.
With midnight obsidian shimmer, the Obsidian Panther takes the win. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Did it! This is unbelievable.